Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Samsung DW80F600UTS dishwasher isn't cleaning dishes properly, or you're noticing bad smells inside, the filter might be the reason. Over time, food particles, grease, and debris collect in the filter, which can block water flow and reduce cleaning performance. Many users don't even realize the filter needs regular cleaning, so the issue keeps getting worse. The best thing is that cleaning the filter is quick, simple, and doesn't require any special tools, just a few easy steps to keep your dishwasher running like new. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. Step 2. Locate the filter assembly at the bottom center. Step 3. Twist and lift the filter out carefully. Step 4. Rinse the filter under running water to remove debris. Step 5. Gently scrub with a soft brush if needed. Step 6. Place the filter back, lock it, and reinstall the rack.